A very good morning. We are going to learn how to join Google Classroom this time. So suppose you are given a classroom code like this, maybe the combination of alphanumeric, yes, or uh, so with this code, if you're asked, or if somebody asked, or your instructors, maybe your teachers, maybe asked to join classroom, then what we have to do is today we are learning from browser based. There is Google Classroom app also in Android or iOS devices. For now, we are joining from the browser. I mean, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge this time, no problem. Uh, so the process is same, and so let's not waste anymore. That means what we have to do is simply we have to type in our browser address box classroom.google.com google.com. So in this way you will be redirected to a page, and so where you may be asked, this is, I'm currently signed in, so I have to sign out, so it will be asked something like this, and so here if you have not created an account, then you have to use this. You have to create one, get new one from using create account. uh, there it is similar like the filling of some forms and uh, getting one account email ID and using that email ID. So I have already created one for me, and so I'm entering in email address, and this uh, continue. Yes, this maybe you will be asked, the method is different here, your passkey, but you'll be asked password. Okay, your password, then I'm entering here my key. This is, I'm making it a little bit easier. The difference is you have to put the password after you get, getting here. You can see 9 dots here on your right top. Here there is one app, one options we have, Google Classroom. So click on that. So here after this, then okay, so home, here is plus button. So plus button, join class, join class. So we have got our class code here. So after this, see, we have not test class here. You can see there's not test class here. We are joining our test class in this way, and join it. Just click on join button, let's say. So we'll be joining in test class. It should be something like test class. So let's got it for now. Here is test class enrolled. Yes. So I'll be able to access the resources that whatever post here in this classroom. So I will be see the people here in our students, my colleagues, like in the list here. Yes. So this way we can join. After that, whatever will be the whatever you will there will be posted, you will be notified via your email account. So you just check your Gmail. Okay, here. So Gmail account. So you're not showing this. Okay, no problem. So and with that, just click on that, and it will be redirected here to you. Okay. This much for today. Thank you all.